Big rock in space flies past Earth. A big rock is flying in space today. The rock is called 2025 OW. It is big, like an airplane. The rock will not hit Earth. It will fly far away. It is further than the moon. Scientists say it is safe. The rock moves very fast. It moves across the sky. We cannot see it. It is too small and far. Scientists use big tools to watch it. They want to learn about the rock. They want to know what it looks like. This rock is not a problem, but scientists always watch the sky. They want to keep Earth safe.